Today we will show you how to use the AI-powered Ask Your Doubt feature on the myAakash app. Open the myAakash app and tap on Ask Your Doubt. Next, tap the plus button, select the relevant subject and then tap Proceed. You can submit your doubt in 3 ways. 1. Upload a picture of the question from your gallery. 2. Use the camera to capture an image of the question. 3. Type your doubt manually. After capturing or uploading the image, make sure to crop it properly so that only the specific question for which you need assistance is visible. Tap Done and then tap the Send button to submit your doubt. The app will scan this image by using smart AI-based algorithms, and it will show you similar questions from the database. You can check these answers to see if your doubt is resolved. That was easy, wasn't it? Follow these simple steps to clear your unlimited academic doubts using myAakash app. If you are not satisfied with the suggested solutions, tap Ask an Expert to submit your doubt to our academic experts. Please note that you can submit a maximum of 5 doubts per day using this option. You can check the status of your doubts under the Resolved and Pending sections. For resolved doubts, you can also rate your experience for the provided solutions. Ask your doubts anytime, anywhere with the myAakash app.